welcome to our room at Pop Century. Disney's Pop Century. Yeah, cute room. Yay! So yeah, your normal coffee machine, creamers, QT selection, fridge.
It's a beverage cooler rather than a fully blown fridge.
Right, well that's okay,
Just,
isn't it?
yeah.
Yep.
You got your aircon block there.
Oh, Gideon's has been.
You got the safe in there.
Yeah, safe's in there. Nice little storage. Few drawers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's not shut. There we go. Usual
Nice
bed.
big bed.
We'll do that one in a minute.
Yeah. Some coat hooks there.
A few hangers and storage.
And there's storage shelves down there.
Spotlessly clean.
Storage there as well. Hairdryer.
I broke him. Never mind.
More storage in there and under there. And you have a sliding door on here.
Oh, and this side you got a full length mirror.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got a full length mirror when you open it.
Full length mirror there. Into the bathroom. There's a toilet. There's plenty of toilet rolls. There's one there, and one over there, I noticed.
But they only come and do housekeeping every other day.
Yes.
So
There's your H2O products. Your two shower heads, and you've got your
oh, you getting it? Can you turn it on?
no, you got your washing line.
Oh, good.
Put that across now.
We didn't have one of those in Miami.
It's there for the drying of the
Brilliant.
trim stuff. Okay.
Nice.
Plenty of towels.
It is smaller.
And again, you've got your sliding door across there.
Ooh.
Move
Is
it back
this
the
easy
way.
to do? This is the question. Oh.
There you go.
I don't think I was supposed to do that.
No, you're supposed to drop it
No,
like
my
that.
little kid. Ah, and they got the extra pillows on there.
Yeah. So also you've got outlets there and two USBs that side of the bed. Another two USBs there, so that's four. Another two,
There's
four,
two
five,
down
six,
here. Two down here.
7, 8 USBs. And another two this side, so there's 10 USBs.
Have you got these as well, Steve?
No, they're just normal plugs.
Oh, are they just normal
So
plugs?
10 USBs, plus plenty of sockets as well. There's two sockets there, two there, and two down there. So yeah, that's everything. You obviously got the TV, large Samsung telly. So yes, that's it guys. That's our room here at Pop Century for the next week.
Until we move over to Universal.
Yep.
Sapphire Falls. Yay! See you soon.